To produce learning that sticks, teachers need the power to make lessons big, bright, and engaging. That's the power of Epson laser displays. Designed for education, Epson displays don't steal whiteboard space like a flat panel does. Epson's ultra-wide format can capture the whole room and deliver simple connectivity for everyone in the class. On the tech side, with no lamps to change and a low cost per square inch versus other interactive displays, they'll be a seamless part of your tech stack for years to come. Learning happens when students are engaged, captivated, and inspired. It's no surprise more than 10 million students learn on Epson displays every day. That's the power of laser-focused learning by Epson.